trunk glowing. Boys and Texas know what I'm talking about. Man, whole little trunk glowing, man. Back with another one. I'm gonna let you know something. Don't be like me. Change all the lights while you have the lights out. Come on now. You know what I mean? This all my bad. I should have been thinking. But I wasn't, so here I go. Let me see. That's what I got. I got the switchable 3157s. They go from amber back to white. Amber to white. I don't see why it's yellow, but it's supposed to go, it's a switchable kind. It go amber, white, you see? Let's see. Well, shit, that don't say it. Amber, it's just red. It just give you basic things on it. Let's see. I don't see what a white come in at, but hey, it must be some kind of tricky new stuff they got going. But hey, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show you how it looks, the difference between now and then. So let me get this hood pop, let me get this light out. Then once I do all that, I'm gonna show you the difference. And you tell me if it's a difference. I hope it's a difference. If not, I waste my money. While I'm here, let me show you, learn something new. This right here is a hole to get to the screw easy. Didn't know that. Find out new things more you do. So I didn't put that in my video, but if you watch this, if you won't take your headlight out, you remove this bolt. You remove this bolt. Then you get your extensions, go through here, and remove that bolt. Here, let me finish putting this light in. Show you the outcome. When I get the bulb out, look at it. The yellow coming off of it anyway. Your time to replace that anyway. Is it hot? Nah, it ain't hot. Yellow coming off of it anyway. I'm going back with that. I'm ready to see how it look. Look at that. Light peeling. So basically, I wasn't getting the full effect from this anyway. It's alright. It's alright. We gonna change it out. Treat my baby right. Alright, so I thought it was gonna give me a fight. It ain't give me no fight. I had to do it with the right hand. I guess that's what she like. See, the tricky part about these, sometimes you have to put it in this way or that way. You got to get the prongs right, because if you don't get the prongs right, you're gonna put it together and it's not gonna light up. So let me get this back in, let it light up. Let's see if it light up, then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you. Got that light in. Let's see. See if it's a difference. Let's see. See if it's a difference. Oh, you can't even see it. You can't even see it. You can't. Let's see. It's so bright you can't see it. It's giving now. Maybe I gotta wait till nighttime, cause you can't see it. Wait, you see this dusty? That's dusty. All right, hold on. Let me see if I. It's called the parking lights. It's called the parking lights. Yeah, I'm just the parking lights. Okay. All right, you see that? Dusty, crusty. All right, it don't look too bad. I promise you, this camera make me look a lot better than what it is. I promise you that. Look at that. Can't even see it. It's bright. See if I send back here, you see. Yeah, it's bright. Let's see if it switches colors when you put it on turn signal. Let's see. It switches orange. See if that's hyper flash. Yeah, it gotta be hyper flash. It need a resistor or something in it. But hey, look a hell of a lot better. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the other light put in, and I'm gonna bring it back to you at nightfall. Show you how it look. This how your boy coming. It's so bright you can't even see nothing. I see the difference. It's so bright you can't even see nothing. You can't even see. That's how your boy coming though. It's so bright you can't even see nothing. It's too bright. It's too bright. Well, another success I call. We're gonna catch y'all next time.